Welcome to the Open House Puppet Show! Alright, so my name is Nicole, and I happen to be a very magical talking sperm whale who also happens to be an expert diver of the sea. I'm getting ready to go look for some squid because I'm hungry. But would you guys like to come along to see what kind of cool creatures live in the deep, dark ocean? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't very enthusiastic. One more time. All right. Okay, much better. All right, and before you guys depart, I just want to let you know that you guys are all safely sitting in a submersible, so you get to breathe easy. And since I'm a whale, I'm going to take a huge breath of air. And your Captain Dorota will come out in a second and go over a few things with you before you depart. All right, I'll see you down there, and keep your eye out for any squid.
Hello, everyone. Welcome aboard the vessel. I'd like to ask, before we start, if you could all silence your cell phones so we don't scare away any of the animals. Next, if you could buckle your seatbelts like this. Perfect. And it's up to you all to steer the vessel. So as we descend, I just want you to go like this with your hands. Yeah, there you go. All right, prepare for departure. Yep. We are now heading to the mesopelagic zone at a depth of 650 feet, also called the twilight zone. Dive time, 7 minutes.
Oh, great. Now look what you did. You done scared me and my dinner got away.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was looking for some squid, but it's so dark down here. Wait, were you the one making that light?
You bet I was, darling. I'm Angie, the anglerfish, and this here's my brilliant way of catching food. Get it? Brilliant? 'Cause I glow? Anyway, all the little fishes like my pretty light, so they swim and don't even notice I'm there. I just keep my mouth wide open, loading in with the light, and sayonara, small fry.
Wow, that's so cool. So, does that mean that the fish are attracted to the light like a moth to a flame?
Well, sure, honey, but no idea what a moth is. Anyway, the emission of light from a living creature is called bioluminescence. Can everyone repeat that?
Bioluminescence.
Wow, that's so cool. You make your own light. So, does that mean you're an underwater version of a firefly?
Well, sure, darling. But again, no idea what a firefly is. Anyway, I still have to catch some dinner since my other one swam away. I'm out of here.
Wait, are there other deep sea creatures that can do bioluminescence? Oh, look at that. How pretty. Oh, look, another bioluminescent creature. Hi, my name is Nicole, and I'm here with my human friends exploring the deep ocean, looking for some squid. What's your name? What are you exactly?
My name is Mickey, and I'm a type of deep sea fish called a myctophid. Humans might know me as a lanternfish.
Wow, that's so cool. It looks like you have spots on your body that are glowing rather than allure like Angie. So, why do you do bioluminescence?
Well, I have lots of blue lights in my body that help me to talk to other fish. Other bioluminescent animals can shine lights on their body really fast, or flash them with bright light to scare away predators. We even have a song all about it.
Got something to say, lay the word down.
light can be used for so many different purposes.
It's so cool, right? You be sure to come back down anytime.
All right, let's say goodbye to Mickey.
Bye, Mickey.
So, we still haven't found any squid, but let's keep going. So, why don't you guys keep driving your submersible like this, and maybe we'll find some.
We are now heading to the mesopelagic zone at a depth of 7,200 feet. Dive time, 15 minutes.
My echolocation tells me we've reached the sea floor. Wow, we've certainly gone a long way, but there's still no squid in sight. Wait, do you guys notice the water getting rather toasty warm? Ugh, what is that smell? It smells like rotten eggs down here. It's terrible.
You are smelling hydrogen sulfide gas. That's what we giant tube worms eat to get our energy.
Wait, what? You actually eat this? Ugh, gross.
We don't have stomachs like you, but we do have bacteria in our tubes that break it down and help us digest sulfide. It's called chemoautotrophs.
Can everyone repeat that?
Chemoautotrophs.
Great, so what do you call this stinky place anyway?
This place is called the hydrothermal vent zone. It basically means place where warm water seeps out. It is like a deep sea hot spring.
Wow, that's so interesting. I mean, I'm surprised to see so much life down here. Giant tubers, crabs, octopi, eels, clams. How is that possible? I mean, the rest of the ocean floor looks bare in comparison.
Totally. It's because of the bacteria. They help to support the bottom of this food web. Without them, this community would not exist. Remember the whole chemoautotrophy thing? We should refresh their memory. Hit it!
Chemoautotrophy, 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 chemoautotrophy. Now put your fins up, down by the vent. We have just spent our day eating chemicals. Slide did slip from the vent steep lift like roads broke down it all. So we help them, they help us. Bacteria help with digestion. We house them here in our tubes. They shear sulfide into energy. Eating sulfide with the help of bacteria. Eating sulfide with the help of bacteria. Symbiosis makes life easier. Eating sulfide with the help of bacteria. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Eating sulfide with the help of bacteria. Eating sulfide with the help of bacteria. Symbiosis making life easier. Eating sulfide with the help of bacteria. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh,
Wow, you guys certainly have some amazing dance moves. So, have you guys seen any squid down here?
No, sorry.
Missed it again. I guess we're just gonna have to keep looking for some squid, and wait, I think I sensed something. Wait, do you see any squid? Yeah! Up there. All right, I have to go catch it before it gets too far away, and I'll see you at the surface.
You are now beginning your ascent to the surface. Please remain seated until you are cleared to leave the vessel.
Oh man, that was a nice squid meal. Mission complete.
Me too. I just finished eating some nice tasty fish. Did you see anything cool during your dive?
I did. My human friends and I got to meet all sorts of interesting animals down there, like fish that glow from bioluminescence, and giant tube worms that have bacteria to help them eat stinky sulfide in the hydrothermal vents.
Did you really see all those things down there? That sounds so amazing. But how can anything live so deep where there's just no light? And isn't it freezing cold down there?
Well, they've adapted to live in the deep ocean, and it goes something like this.
don't feel chagrin. That